Hi guys, it's Upsidedown Cat here. I wanted to show you how to make a bunny out of gloves. Sorry about the crazy hair. So you put one glove on, and then second glove, you want the middle finger, and you just turn it kind of inside out. And ignore my children that are crying. Okay, so middle finger, you put that over the other middle finger here. I don't know if you can see that. And then these two side ones are the ears, so hold on to those. And then you want to put your other fingers on top. I know it's black, so it's kind of hard to see. But see, I've got two little bunny hands and two bunny ears. So now we're just going to grab this part of the glove, and we're going to fold the cuff of the one that's on your hand over your thumb and pinky. And I'm sorry I couldn't find gloves that weren't black, so it is kind of hard to see this part. But okay, so we've got a bunny that says hi and a bunny that says hi and two ears, and then your hand is just all wrapped up there and your fingers are tucked nicely up there. So then you can sniff and you can wave and you can kind of hop around, and there's your bunny. So that's just a tip for you guys and your kids probably. Have a good day. Enjoy the snow.